Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can easily add a custom mural on your Corsair M75. So first open the app and now find murals right here. Now click on the plus icon and here you can create a new murals effect. Here you can change between those 7 options, and now click one, go next, and here you can add more colors, and now click next. In here you can select the name for your mural, let's say a test, and now click on create. Here is our mural. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.